Dear friends, welcome to IS Kannada Vahini. We are continuing with the history question that is on ancient India. The question is, consider the following pairs. First one, Mimamsa Jaimini, Nyaya Akshapada Gautama, Sankhya Uluka Kannada, Vaisheshika Ishwara Krishna. Which of the above pairs are correct? Before coming to the answer, I shall explain some of the basics of the Indian philosophy or philosophical thoughts. There are two main sects. One is, you can say, like non-Vedic sects. Another one is Vedic sects, or the sects which are related with the Vedic aspects. So non-Vedic sects are Buddhism, Jainism and Charvakas. These are the three sects. They are more of like materialistic nature. They don't believe in like abstract things, and also they don't believe in the Vedic thought. Then coming to the six main darshanas of the Indian philosophy are Mimamsa, Nyaya, Sankhya, Vaisheshika, Yoga and Vedanta. So these are the six philosophies actually propounded by different founders. Then what is Darshana? Darshana is a perception of the absolute truth and related aspects of the truth propounded by each, you can say, like saint or thinker. That is what we call like darshanas. Here, Mimamsa. What is the main content of the Mimamsa? It prescribes or it says about the reasoning and interpretation of the statement or the things. So that is the main thing of the Mimamsa that is actually propounded by Jaimini. Then Nyaya, it is also a school of one of the schools of Darshana. It mainly emphasizes on logic or analysis. Means it is most similar to the, you can say, like the Western philosophy, where like the syllogism, the two statements and conclusion will come. The same thing will happen or occur in the Nyaya philosophy also. Then third one is Sankhya. Actually here Uluka Kannada is wrong. Sankhya is propounded by Kapila. Sankhya also, it is mainly based on like literally it means numbers. It also supports some kind of, you can say, like kind of Prakriti and Purusha, two main forces that is in the nature. So that is the main content of the Sankhya. Then Vaisheshika actually propounded by Uluka Kannada. So fourth one is also a wrong. Vaisheshika is nothing but the theory of atoms. Theory of atoms, literally it means the eater of the atoms. That is also a famous, you can say, like the school of thought in the Indian philosophy. Then two more are, one is yoga philosophy, which emphasizes on mental and physical, you can say, like concentration, propounded by Patanjali Maharshi. Then the last one is related with the Vedic or Upanishad thoughts known as Vedanta, propounded by or founded by Badarayan. So these are the six schools of Darshana of the Indian philosophy. Here, coming to the question, the correct pair are A is the answer, 1 and 2. That is Mimamsa Jaimini, Nyaya Akshapada Gautama. These are the two pairs which are correct. Whereas for the Sankhya, you can take it like Kapila. Vaisheshika, it is Uluka Kannada.